Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about power. So what is power? Power is the amount of energy per unit time, and because it's related to energy, it's also related to work since they share the same unit, which is joules. And power is calculated as energy over change in time, or work over change in time. Or if you were to expand on work, it's force times distance times cosine theta over time, which is also equal to force times velocity. So what this means is that if you know energy and time, or work and time, or force, displacement and time, or force and velocity, you can find time. And power has the unit watts, which is also joules per second. And power is a scalar quantity, it does not have a direction. Here's our first example of power.